going on, brosive? They said when they flush the toilet it leaks. They also said it's running. That bowl water looks a little low too. It should sit up about right there, so I bet it's going to be my arch nemesis, Mr. Rusty Ballcock. I bet you it is. Uh-huh. I knew it. Old Rusty Ballcock. It says it's leaking too, and when she flushes it, I'm going to shut the water off, but I'm sure it's going to be all splashy right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's a party. Oh God. Ugh. I'm going to have to change out this fill valve. Easy fix. Oh yeah, you can see the water stain under the flush handle there. See that stain? That's where it's been leaking when she flushes it. Heck of a spray, man. Gets all over the wall. When I took the top off. Get all the water out of here. Get me a bucket up under there. It's gonna be a little water. This is a real common work order in apartment maintenance. Good one for you new guys, you new subscribers. A lot of guys like to replace the water line as well. You can do that. Always just check the gasket. If it looks good, like it's not rotted and all dried out, I'll leave it. But you can replace this. Don't hurt anything. Just giving an old crank towards the wall. Oh, somebody put the death grip on this one. Push it down from the top. I got my left hand pushing down on the fill valve from the top. There we go. I'm going to put this thing on. Do not want it to come off. Get our Rusty Ballcock out of there. There's my new one. Our Fluid Master. Don't forget to put the gasket on there. Easy peasy. Easy money. Tighten it back down. Reconnect the water line, and that's about all there is to it. I should just go hand tight, and then I give it a quarter turn with my Jackie Chans. Same with the water line. Hand tight, quarter turn with Jackie Chans. And you just connect the hose to the old nipple here. When you install it, just make sure that's facing the flush valve, or to be squirting over that way. I'll just do the hose. I'm going to cut it and shorten it and put the clip on here. Yeah, this is the clip that goes on the flush valve here. I'll connect the hose. Alright, new fill valve. Got the hose going into the flush valve. Turn the water back on, check for leaks. Should fill up the bowl better too. So you remember the water was a little low. Oh yeah, that's how it's supposed to look. The water was low because no water was coming out of the old fill valve. Old rusty ball cock wasn't feeding us water, so the bowl water was low. If you ever get a work order for low bowl water, check the fill valve. Should be sitting in there like that. They're gonna be good to go. Make sure we got no leaks here, no drips. Everything looks good. That's from when the old rusty ball cock splattered. But everything else looks good. No leaks from the new one. All right, easy fix. Great work order for you new guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks.